guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys could tell by the background, I'm not at my house, so we're at a Airbnb in Running Springs. I'm so excited because I've never been to Running Springs. This is my first time being here. It's like 30 minutes from Big Bear, so I thought I'd give you guys like a little tour of the Airbnb that we got for tonight. And yeah, I actually like it. It's really nice. It's like very like homey. It has like a very homey feel. And yeah, so let's get right to it. I might miss some spots because it's like 1 in the morning, but you guys know I wanted to do a video for you guys, so make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. And yeah, so I got dedication. I'm gonna dedicate myself to this tour. But yeah, I might miss some stuff, but I'm gonna show you guys the nice spots. And yeah, let's get right to it. So guys, my little sister just turned on the light. There's lots of lighting in this house. That's what I like. I love the little cup, very homey feel. I like these countertops. It's a nice color. My little sister will be in the background, so don't mind her. And I don't know what this is. I think it's for coffee. It's a kettle to heat up water. Yeah, okay, so I don't know, but and then this is a Keurig, and then the water, and then there's like cups and everything that we need, just in case like we were gonna get like more days here. And they have a lot of nice cups here. My little sister's in the background again, guys. They have like a dark roast, but I drink decaf coffee, so I'm not gonna have this because then I'm gonna be all anxious. And then they have like cinnamon coffee, cinnamon roll, very nice. And then they have sugar. They labeled it sugar, cute. And then they have salt. And then they have, wow, they have a lot of stuff. Cappuccino. They have Nescafe, decaf. I'm probably gonna have this one in the morning because I don't want to have anxiety. So yeah, you guys know I have anxiety. You guys have been following me. Oh wow, they also have decaf. Wow, should have booked another 3 nights. And then yeah, they have a lot for an Airbnb. Then they have the breakfast blend, Good and Gather, Target. Bomb. I'm really looking forward to the morning. It's really late, you guys, but yeah, I'm like, you guys need to see the Airbnb. And yeah, I'm only gonna have a couple hours in the morning, but yeah, it's really nice. I love the refrigerator. It's really nice. And then we have the sink, and then sponges, and then dial, and then there's like a little oven just in case we made some pizza. And then there's knives and everything that we needed just in case there was like a carne. And honestly, I should have got wine. I was watching Netflix and I was watching Ginny and Georgia, and I think it was Georgia? Was it Georgia or Ginny? Okay, one of them was drinking wine, and like I low-key wanted some wine, but I didn't get any because I don't drink. I don't really drink anymore. And yeah, there's just cups. Oops. The thing, yeah. And then we have the microwave. It's really big, guys. Damn, it's a big microwave. I think if I ever get a house, I'd probably want a big microwave so I could put some pizza. So here we have the stove. It has like a little comal, and then it's very nice, modern. And then we have like a little thing for water. I'm not gonna show you guys like the whole count, the whole what's inside. It's fine. And yeah, the fridge is very nice. This is how my fridge is like at home. We have a lot of room. I like to have a big fridge, like, yeah, big fridges, good. And then, so I'm not gonna show you guys downstairs yet. So, but the downstairs is giving me like that 70s show type of stuff, you know, chill, like downstairs vibes. And then this is like some chairs right here, just in case we wanted to chill. And then we have the other table right here with some fake lemons. Fake lemons. And then we have like a little plant right here, and then a snail. I like how they added the little details. And then we have a chimney. Very nice, love it. And then We have the couch, but we kind of have a mess because we barely got here. But yeah, this is the couch. Sorry guys for the mess, but yeah. And then we have the TV. Unfortunately, the internet wasn't working. We're gonna have to get a refund on that, but we're gonna sleep. And then there's like little magazines. There's like little magazines. I don't know, sir. And then they have like this. There's like a room over here. But first I'm gonna show you guys this. There's like a little table.
Another table.
Another table. And then they have little cups for tea. I'm not sure if it's decoration though. And then let's come to the room. So this is one room. This is the bed. Looks very cozy, like. And the pillows are so cozy. They're nice. And then I wouldn't sleep in this room because it gives me like, I don't know, kind of scary to like sleep in front of a mirror. I'm not used to that. I like to cover my mirrors when I sleep. So yeah, and then here's the other bathroom. It's very nice. Countertop, very nice. Details, nice. And then the shower. They have the shower right here. It's nice, like a little regadera. It's a nice color. It's very like, it's a very homey house. I like it. I like it, Picasso. And yeah, there's a chair. I don't know why there's a chair right there. I don't know why there's a chair. So yeah, let's see. So Lupe ended up fixing the Wi-Fi. So yeah, we won't be getting a refund on it. So yeah, I'm like, oh, we should get a refund because usually Airbnb, they give you a refund if you're missing one of the amenities. So yeah, thanks Lupe for fixing it. Thank you very much. She's all tired. It's like almost 2 in the morning. So yeah. Anyways, let's finish up the tour, Lupe. She fell asleep, guys. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up because we were up doing this tour. Okay. So guys, Lupita started playing Moana upstairs. So if you guys hear the background, it's Moana playing upstairs. So this is the mirror in the hallway. Very nice. Take a selfie right here. Nice. I'll probably take a selfie after this. So this is a laundry room. It's very big. They have 2 washers, a washer and a dryer. And then there's also like a sink. There's a sink. And then there's like tide up there. So yeah, and then they have like a mueble to planchar. And then they have the plancha, and then they have detergent up there. And let's say hi to the vlog. And then here's the other room. So this is the other room. It's very nice. I'm gonna be sleeping right here.
You're gonna be sleeping.
Look at the ceiling. It's really nice.
Really?
Chilling. I'm really looking forward to it. And then, because it doesn't have like a mirror. No creepy mirror. I have like a thing with mirrors. So I don't really mind the closet. My little sister's gonna sleep with me, so yeah. I like it. It's very nice.
Wow. So,
yeah, the closet is empty. It has a little bit of stuff, but yeah. Yeah, it has hangers.
If you guys want to hang the clothes.
Yeah, if we want to hang the clothes.
Okay, Lupita is outside and then
no, we're not hanging the clothes. We're not hanging clothes.
Why?
And then my mom's sleeping in the other room. So we're not gonna show you guys that room, unfortunately. Okay, so this is the last room, guys. So this is the restroom. It's really nice. It's very homey, very like relaxing, like just by the look of it. And then it has the little decorations and stuff. I like how they decorated it. It's good. So yeah, that's how it looks. So guys, I'm not gonna show you guys the other room because my mom's sleeping in it, but this concludes the video for the tour and stuff. Let me know what you guys thought in the comment section, and if you guys would stay here, or just let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And yeah, so I couldn't show you guys the outside, but it's because we're only staying here one night and I only have so much time, so sorry about that, guys. And yeah, so I'm really looking forward to staying here. I'm already sleepy and I have to take off my makeup, and yeah, so make sure to watch all my videos, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.